फैशन की दुनिया में लोग चाहते हैं उनका नाम हो, खुद का लेबल हो, खुद की पहचान हो। देश के कई कोनों से लोग अपने सपने को पूरा करने के लिए सपनों के शहर मुंबई आते हैं। ओनली पेश करता है स्केच टू स्टोर, एक ऐसा मंच जहां ISDI पार्सन्स की फैकल्टी ने ऐसे 10 प्रतिभाशाली डिजाइनर्स को चुना है जिन्हें मेंटर करेंगे सब्यसाची मुखर्जी। इस रियलिटी शो के विजेता को ओनली के लिए एक ऐसी लाइन डिजाइन करने का मौका मिलेगा जो पूरे देश में रिटेल होगी। साथ ही विजेता को Amazon इंडिया फैशन वीक में एक लाइन पेश करने का और इटली के इंस्टीट्यूटो मैरंगोनी मिलानो में पढ़ने का भी अवसर मिलेगा। यहाँ आपके जजेस हैं भारत के सबसे प्रतिभाशाली डिजाइनर सब्यसाची मुखर्जी और अभिनेत्री फैशनिस्टा कल्की। ओनली पेश करता है स्केच टू स्टोर।
Good job, Mohit. Very nice outfit. I really like it. But unfortunately, your luck is out. And you are out too.
The next task that you have is that you're going to be designing an outfit each for a woman going on a blind date. However, this is not your model. This is a real woman that you're going to be working with. Plus, you don't get to choose the woman. The woman comes, she gets to interview you for 5 minutes each, and she will decide which designer she wants to work with. That's the twist.
Reach a consensus that pleases your aesthetics and her comfort zone. And on that, I have in this bag swatches for your next journey. This time, you're not going to the fabric room for your fabrics. You're being given money to shop for fabrics of your own choice. For a person who gets lesser amount of money, you get more time to shop. And for a person who gets higher amount of money, you get less time to shop.
I'm a little nervous because I don't know who the client is.
You are told कि real life people होंगे तो they could be really big और very petite. As a designer थोड़ा challenging होता है but interesting भी होता है कि हमें पूरा अलग अलग body types मिले, उस पर काम करने का मौका मिला, जो कि real life में जो clients होंगे, हमारे customers होंगे, वैसी body types के होंगे.
Nice to meet you all.
Hi. Good morning.
I'm David from Odisha.
I'm Aniket from
Hello
Mumbai.
Aniket, hi.
I'm Nitin.
Okay, hi.
I am Shubhi from Delhi.
Great.
I'm Azadat from Pune.
Wow. My name is Sneha. Okay, so I work with a brand services company. Okay. So my job is very corporate, going to office every day, 9 to 5 job, meeting clients and also meeting celebrities. So I have to balance that kind of thing in my everyday life that, okay, I have to be very formal, but yeah, I have to look stylish also. And my personal taste is also something like that. I love to be very trendy. I like whatever is in the market. I like to accessorize myself a lot.
Okay.
So now I'm going on a date, so you guys have to help me out, okay? So you have to design me something which makes me look stylish. So that is the first key word. Whatever I want to wear, it should be stylish. Mm-hmm. So and at the same time, I think I am like tall. So something which complements my height.
Like right now you're wearing a jumpsuit.
Yeah.
So what are your preference in terms of silhouettes? Like you like skirt, top, dresses or jumpsuits?
See, I wear everything and anything. To be very honest, I wear everything. I like to experiment a lot. So I'm giving this job to you all. What you think will suit me best?
Color wise, कोई particular color है you like?
Color wise?
Dark tones.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Great to meet you all. All the best.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
First client आई थी Sneha. She was very tall and she had the perfect model kind of figure.
Hi, I'm Natasha. Hi. So I'm a PR consultant by the day and I love theatre by the night, but I've not been able to do much of it lately. I wear westerns on a daily basis. I love wearing Indians also. I'm more conservative in my choices. Too revealing is not my scene. Best of luck, guys. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. My name is Bhumika.
Hi, Bhumika. Hello, Bhumika.
I am a freelance designer. Okay, and also fashion blogger. मैं जो भी पहनूं, it's comfortable for me.
कहाँ मिलने जा रहे हो ब्लाइंड डेट के लिए?
Coffee date.
Oversized clothing या मतलब थोड़ा defining your curves.
Define my curve.
आपको फेवरेट कलर?
Black.
ब्लैक। जिस डेट पे आप जा रहे हो, do you have something in mind कि क्या लुक दिखाना चाहो? Sporty, classy, or very
Some classy.
sophisticated like that?
Yeah, some
ऐसा
classy
कुछ?
look.
Classy look.
Okay.
आपका स्टाइल आइकन कौन है? कोई
style
सेलिब्रिटी,
icon.
सॉन्ग पर्सन, एनीवन?
Yeah, my style is Deepika.
Deepika. Second Deepika we have.
Yeah.
Because she always wears comfortable clothes. Thank you, Mama.
हमारा ये टास्क जो था वो बहुत मुश्किल था. मॉडल्स रियल लाइफ पीपल थे, सो वी हैव डिफरेंट बॉडी टाइप्स के लोग थे, डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप के लोग थे, डिफरेंट सोशल स्टेटस के लोग थे. सो देयर वाज समवन हु इज़ अ फैशन पीआर, समवन हु इज़ अ ब्लॉगर हु जस्ट स्टार्टेड ब्लॉगिंग, एंड देयर वाज समवन who is like a working woman and who is in marketing, so she's struggling, she's juggling a lot of things together. So काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला इस टास्क में कि अल्टीमेटली डिज़ाइनर बनना मतलब सिर्फ मॉडल्स को अपने डिज़ाइंस पहनाना नहीं, बल्कि डिफरेंट बॉडी टाइप्स पे क्या सूट करता है क्या नहीं, ये जानना और उसका नॉलेज होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है.
Hi. So before you all start asking me questions about my likes and dislikes, I have a couple of questions for you guys.
Sure.
Can you share your strengths, as in what are you good at? What kind of clothes, as in Indian, Western, what kind of designs you all like?
I'm more comfortable with Western wear.
Okay.
I don't have much experience making Indian wear.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have my my strength is Western and fusions.
Okay.
Not completely Indian, but I do fusions and Westerns.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say my strength would be Western only. Yeah.
Okay.
Western and very classy looks. Yeah.
Okay.
I generally work according to body type. I specialize in Indian wear, but still I have a because I have a Western hand also. So I make fusion also, Indian and Western fusion wear. So I make that.
My strength in terms of what I like is Western wear, more day wear kind of thing, and I play with colors.
Okay.
The best thing about all the models that came कि सब बहुत strong थी, बहुत confident थी, बहुत decided in their head थी कि मतलब हमें ये चाहिए या ये नहीं चाहिए.
When you look at me, what do you think will look the best on me?
आपको bright colors avoid करने चाहिए. You should put lot of dark colors.
And layers, you can add layers to your garment. Like you're wearing something inside, then you have a jacket or you have dupatta to wear something. Like you have to layer your garments.
I like my clothing to be very simple. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi. Morning, I'm Reema. I'll tell you something about myself. I have zero knowledge in fashion. I have no sense, absolutely. I like full sleeves. I love dresses.
आपको इंडो वेस्टर्न फ्यूजन स्टाइल्स पसंद है या फिर क्लासिक वेस्टर्न टाइप्स के?
मतलब I don't have a preference. That's what I told you. I can wear anything, but it should make me feel comfortable.
रीमा बहुत फंसी थी, मतलब उनका क्लियर डायरेक्शन था. एक्चुअली क्लाइंट्स वैसे ही होते हैं कि उनके नोशंस फर्म रहते हैं कि उनके ऊपर यही अच्छा लगेगा और वो नोशंस ब्रेक करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है.
Last में we met Reema, who is a little insecure about her body and उनको थोड़ा confidence उनका level कम है. She feels थोड़ा कि मैं अच्छी नहीं लगूंगी मैं body type. तो उसके लिए ऐसे person के लिए it becomes a little difficult, but at the same time it's a very interesting challenge to work for.
जिन्होंने मुझको चुना इस टास्क के लिए वो है भूमिका. उनका बॉडी टाइप ऑलमोस्ट शी इज़ अ हेल्दी गर्ल, बट उनकी हाइट थोड़ी सी कम है कंपैरेटिवली. उनके टॉर्सो थोड़ा प्रोपोर्शनेट है, पैर थोड़े छोटे हैं, सो उसके हिसाब से डिज़ाइन करना है.
My model is Sneha. I was happy that she became my model because she's very tall, thin, and she looks like a model.
I think it will be very challenging for Azadeh because her model is perfect. And when you have a perfect figure, you need to focus on your design. And so Azadeh, so the judges will be more focused on her design rather than the body type. And for us, I think it's more about the body type.
मुझे जो मॉडल मिला है और नेम इज अंकिता, तो देखने में थोड़ा सा हेवी है. तो बेसिकली शी वांट्स इंडियन वेयर टू वेयर, इंडियन कुर्ता या ट्यूनिक, उसके साथ प्लाजो या टाइट पैंट.
देवी प्रसाद की जो मॉडल है वो ऑल्सो वॉज टूवर्ड्स द हेल्दी साइड. तो इट वॉज एन रेगुलर फैशन फिगर दैट ही इज़ वर्किंग विद. और उनका भी नोशन बहुत क्लियर था, उनको सिर्फ कुर्ता चाहिए था. तो इन दैट वेज इट बिकम्स ईजियर बिकॉज क्लाइंट बोलता है कि उसे क्या चाहिए.
मुझे लगता है अंकिता थोड़ा सा फैट है, लेकिन ये है कि इंडियन, इफ़ यू सी लुक एट ऑल द इंडियन वुमेन, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर लाइक अंकिता ओनली. तो मुझे लगता है नहीं, इफ़ आई एम गोइंग टू फेस दिस चैलेंज ब्यूटीफुली, तो इट विल बी ए ग्रेट थिंग फॉर मी. मुझे नहीं लगता कि हाँ अंकिता मेरे लिए एक बड़ा चैलेंज है.
मेरी मॉडल का नाम रीमा है. बाकी सब पार्टिसिपेंट्स को लगा कि शी इज़ वेरी इनसिक्योर ऑफ हर सेल्फ, बट आई डिडंट थिंक सो. एंड शी हैज़ अ वेरी नाइस पर्सनैलिटी वेयरइन आई थिंक उसका डुअल साइड्स हैं, मुझे जो फील हुआ अपने क्लाइंट के लिए. एंड क्योंकि वो शाय भी थी कहीं ना कहीं, बट शी इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग आउट ऑन अ डेट.
आज जैसे मिले मुझे भूमिका और रीमा थोड़ा सा कन्फ्यूज लगी. तो मुझे लगता है अनिकेत और सुभी को थोड़ा सा प्रूव करने में थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी होगा, बिकॉज they have to, they both of them might face some difficulty to make them understand कि हाँ ये अच्छा लग रहा है.
मेरी मॉडल है निताशा. शी इज़ अ लिटिल शॉर्ट इन हाइट, बट her confidence level is really good. She is really cheerful, she really bubbly. उसको पता है कि क्या पहनना है उसको, एंड उसको उसके माइंड में क्लियर था जब उसने मुझे बताया कि वो कैसा लुक चाहती है.
निताशा जो कि नितिन की मॉडल है, वो भी बहुत स्वीट थी. उसका टेस्ट बहुत रिफाइन था. शी इज़ वेरी साउथ बॉम्बे एलीट काइंड ऑफ क्राउड. सो डेफिनेटली दैट वुड हैव बीन अ मच मोर सेफर टास्क टू डिज़ाइन समथिंग फॉर हर, बिकॉज if you're going for a dinner in a fine dining, I mean, what wrong you can get. हम लोग को फैब्रिक लेने के लिए जाना था. हम लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड थे, चलो फैब्रिक तो अपने खुद का चॉइस का ले सके. पर टास्क था कि हम लोग को एक मैजिकल स्वॉच दिया था जिसमें लिखा था कि आप कितने मिनट में और कितने रुपीस का आप फैब्रिक ले सकते हैं. फैब्रिक स्टोर भी ऐसा था कि चारों जगहों पे था, मतलब 4 दुकानें थी एक ही बंदे की. तो हमको यहाँ वहाँ जाकर यू नो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ टाइम विच इज़ गोइंग टू कंज्यूम एक दुकान से दूसरी दुकान में जाने के लिए, बिकॉज हर एक दुकान में हर एक एरिया में दुकान के डिफरेंट टाइप के फैब्रिक्स थे.
मुझे 5,000 रुपये मिले एंड आई हैड ओनली 5 minutes टू स्पेंड.
So I have 4,000 and 6 minutes. I'm a little bit stressed. I don't know if I'm going to get the fabric or not.
I got this swatch from Sabyasachi sir, and it said that I can only spend rupees 3,000 7 minutes में.
मेरे नसीब में ये वाला स्वॉच आया जिसमें लिखा है कि 6,000 में आप जितना चाहिए फैब्रिक ले सकते हैं, विच इज़ गुड, बट सिर्फ 4 मिनट में. आई मीन 4 मिनट में सिर्फ 2 पैकेट इंस्टेंट नूडल के हो सकते हैं.
Mine is the budget is 7,000 in 3 minutes.
हम अभी मार्केट से आए हैं. मेरे को सिर्फ 4 मिनट थे और उस 4 मिनट में मुझे पता नहीं मैंने क्या क्या लिया है. तो अभी जो लिया है उसमें से कुछ बनाना है.
अनिकेत का प्रिंटेड फैब्रिक बट देन आई थिंक उसको लगा था कि वो रेपिटेशन होगा प्रिंट, बट वो नहीं है. सो आई थिंक वो फिगर आउट कर रहा है कि उसको कैसे यूज़ करना है. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही इज़ कंबाइनिंग इट विद, बट आई होप इट्स अ नाइस कलर, अदरवाइज वो बहुत क्लैशी लगेगा.
I'm making a tunic and a palazzo pant, and the palazzo pant has different layers, so it will look volume on the bottom part, which will take away from her body, and yes, it will. Yeah, I'm creating a illusion.
Devi Prasad, I'm not a big fan of what he's chosen in fabric.
देवी प्रसाद का गारमेंट लुक्स लिटिल ऑड विजुअली बिकॉज जो बॉटम्स रहते हैं वो अगर आपकी बॉडी टाइप हेवियर है सो यू डोंट गो फॉर लाइटर कलर बॉटम्स, यू ऑलवेज गो फॉर अ डार्कर कलर बॉटम्स.
आई सॉ अनिकेत का गारमेंट, मतलब उसका काफ़ी सिंपल लगा मुझे. उसके पीछे मुझे थॉट प्रोसेस काफ़ी कम लगा. उसने देखते ही छूटते ही बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. हम लोग अपना डिज़ाइन सोच रहे थे, हम लोग अपना पैटर्न काट रहे थे, उसका स्कर्ट रेडी रखा होता है. लाइक ये क्या हुआ अभी जस्ट, मतलब अभी तो हम घुसे ही हैं कमरे में, उसका स्कर्ट रेडी है. एंड तो मुझे लग रहा है उसने ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया अपने उस पर. मैंने उसका स्केच भी देखा, उसमें बेसिक टॉप है और एक सर्कुलर स्कर्ट है. तो आई डोंट थिंक, अच्छी बात है कि रियल लाइफ है, रियल मतलब वैसे कपड़े बनाने हैं आपको सेलेबल, बट कुछ थोड़ा एलिमेंट होना चाहिए क्रिएटिविटी का भी, ताकि कस्टमर देखे तो शेल्फ से उठाए और ख़रीदने का सोचे. अगर एकदम सिंपल गारमेंट दे वो शेल्फ में रह जाते हैं हमेशा.
मुझे लगता है टॉप 5 में आज़ाद डिजर्व नहीं करती है.
Since she looks like a model, I have to try more, I think, to make something really perfect.
How can you be not revealing and sexy is what I'm trying to figure out in my design.
Shubi might face a challenge because her model was like, she doesn't like to experiment that much. She was like, I never wear heels, I never do that, I never do this. So Shubi has to pay lots of attention to the body type she's working with.
एक बंदा जो टॉप 5 में मेरे ख्याल से नहीं हो सकता है और क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए. आई थिंक शुभी इज स्टिल वेरी यंग, वो अभी तक कॉलेज में पढ़ रही है. आई थिंक शी शुड फिनिश हर कॉलेज सो शी इज़ मोर वेल इक्विप्ड विथ नॉलेज, बिकॉज डायरेक्टली अगर शी गेट्स अ जॉब शी हैज़ टू डिज़ाइन फॉर ओनली एंड ऑल. सो आई थिंक समवेयर हर एजुकेशन विल गेट एब्जॉर्ब्ड. तो just I think she should have learned more of her skills. She's a good designer at a student level, but अगर वो ज़्यादा पढ़ती है, क्योंकि पढ़ाई ब्रेक करके फिर करना, then going back to studies never happen.
You've met Nonita Kalra before. I'm a little speechless right now. Am I allowed to fire all 5 of them out of the show?
Since I'm a guest judge and I don't have a real say, but my answer is yes.
I'm in trouble. You know the point, Nonita, is that before we rolled on, I spoke to all of them. I gave them a very intense brief because, you see, my big problem with the show is that when we started, we had no means of advertising ourselves. Like I said, that I would never even get a chance to even go and speak to her and say hello. We really had to slum it out. And then we got lucky, of course, the media picked up the story. These kids have everything ready for them. They have a mentor, they have an actress who's mentoring them, they have the best editors mentoring them. And for instance, when I look at Kalki right now, she's wearing a designer who's from their generation.
Yeah.
Look at the approach to design.
Yeah.
Look at the approach to what they're creating. I don't know, I think that something is going wrong somewhere. So, you know, all of you are in the doghouse today. First designer and model, please step up.
Yeah, today it's the turn of the models to speak. Try to be really honest about what you like, what you don't like about your outfit and why.
I like my outfit, and it's very modest and very colorful, and it's perfect for a date. But I unhappy with this length.
Okay.
It must be a little longer.
You don't want your knees to show.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, before that, can I just ask you one favor? Can I just take that necklace off her neck, please, right now? And the bag.
Okay.
Breathes better.
Yeah.
Sometimes too much can be really much.
I think the designer has done you a favor. If this skirt length was below your knee, your lovely length would not show. You're a tall, slim, leggy girl with a great figure. Below the knee actually cuts you off and makes you look short. So I think you should thank him for that. You have beautiful legs. You should be comfortable
Very
with
nice
that.
knees.
Yes, and surprisingly nice knees, by the way, and it's the one thing most models don't have.
I have to tell you something. You're not one of my favorites on the show because you've disappointed me with a lot of gimmicks. But today, you made me very happy.
Yeah, I think it's girly and fun and I like it.
Yeah, and you know, I see you wearing it.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's very her. It's very easy and it's non-pretentious.
Shubhi, can you bring your model forward, please? What went wrong here? Tell us. Tell us what's going on. What do you feel about your outfit?
It's not comfortable at all. So when I sit, feels like someone has tied a rope. So it's really uncomfortable. I can't pull my hands here. When I briefed her, I did tell her that I'm a very plain and simple person, but at the same time, I told her that, I do not mind experimenting.
Do you consider yourself to be conservative or fun?
Fun.
It clearly shows that there was a little bit of a disconnect between what your client was expecting from you and what you delivered.
What's bothering me immensely is the shoulders. They're not even. It's just driving me crazy. I haven't been able to hear anything she's saying.
For that, there is a solution. You should have given reinforcement, like a little bit of a khada patti tape. I think of it as slightly too prim to wear on a first date. It might scare away a man.
This looks like a habit, a priest's habit.
It's gone from, I remember your amazing Chanel, chic, French, little black dress. And this, you've gone for a black dress, but it's like, Halloween,
Black Widow.
Those little toy stores where you get those Halloween costumes for like, $150. It looks like that. It looks so unfinished and so shapeless, and it's not flattering at all. I'm disappointed.
And she doesn't like it. There is no greater, and I guess I don't like it. Also, I wear only black, and I have a huge collection of black dresses. I would not let this into my cupboard.
I would use one word. I just think it's trying too hard and it's a little pretentious.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.
Azadeh. Azadeh, again I look at you and I think you're so on trend, and then I see this and I'm just a little bit confused. Are you happy with the dress?
I'm happy with the dress in sense like it's very comfortable. I like the colors, but I don't think I'll wear this on a date.
Had you had the common sense to put that dress in entirely in black, just with a white lace trim, I think it would have been very, very beautiful. You just missed the boat. Thank you. Nitin.
I basically told him I wanted something conservative but still classy, chic and feminine and very like flowing and he got, I think he did a good job because I like the outfit.
Are you saying that because you're trying to defend him?
No, I genuinely like the outfit. I told him I'll buy it off.
That's very nice, Nitin.
Yeah, I thought I really liked it.
She actually said that.
But I think it's a disaster. It looks like 80s in a very, very bad way.
It's outdated, but not in a good way.
For me, it's Edward Scissorhands goes to a Gothic funeral. You know, she wanted a conservative neckline. The worst thing that you can do to somebody is give a 4-inch V. You could have given a boat. The dress would have looked so nice. It looks like a tacky cardigan that one would buy with 10 rupees on a high street market on resale. I'm sorry, it's not on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Devi Prasad, please come forward.
I've never been on a blind date. I don't want to experiment much because that kills the comfort zone from where I come in. I had told him make straight fit pants because I'm not very comfortable with these loose pants. Secondly, I had told him make a kurti, which I really like, but I don't think I would wear this material for a date.
I think the choice of fabric was wrong. When somebody is slightly larger on the hip, you should never accentuate that. You did that by putting darts in the wrong places, so the hip sticks out more. You balanced it by giving wider trousers because of the fact that, if you wore something where the hips took out so much and then you wore leggings with it, then the legs would look very stumpy.
It's a basic rule that you teach in any art school is that, or in any design school is that, जो bottoms रहते हैं वो अगर आपकी body type heavier है, so you don't go for lighter color bottoms. You always go for a darker color bottoms because lighter color bottoms highlight करते हैं आपके extended hip और thigh area को.
The entire outfit is so underwhelming.
She loves
Devi
Indian
Prasad,
wear.
It's a bad job. Thank you. At this point of time, please remember what I keep telling you all. I think that, me and Kalki are both really struggling on this show, trying to pep you all up, Like, for instance, she didn't have to wear Shubhi's outfit. She's doing it to support you guys because she wants the best out of you guys.
Okay. This is the second time I'm back, and you know what I'm seeing? I'm seeing laziness, and that's what disappoints me.
Yes, I'm not judging this, I'm sorry. Sorry, you take this, that's yours, I'm leaving because, see what is happening every day on television, and I'm saying that, no, listen to me. I am not someone who's here to kind of lose my temper every day, but I think you can do a far better job with the kids. I don't think I can. Sorry. No, listen to me. I don't think I can do this. Sorry.
I've never seen him so upset. Frankly, we argued about eliminating all three of you.
There's no smooth way to put this, so I'm really sorry you're out of style.
So I'm going to go straight to the task and tell you what it is going to be. You can do what you want. You have to create an outfit that you like. It also has to speak about your brand values. That's Anaita Shroff Arajania. Anaita is the fashion director of Vogue India.
Today we're going to have an anonymous ramp show. This means that we're not going to know which designer did what. If you want to stand out, there's no point creating things that already exist in the market.
You need to decide if you're going to be a designer or a tailor. Okay, you think first. I don't like the car.